Start. Leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, on Monday promised a legal guarantee for minimum support price to farmers and a caste census if the Indian National Democratic Inclusive Alliance comes to power, as he drew a parallel between the current political framework of the NDA government and a Chakravyuh, the battle formation used to surround fighters in the Mahabharata. A combative Mr. Gandhi, who was speaking during the discussion in the Union Budget in the Lok Sabha, said the lotus shaped Chakravyuh that had been used to kill Abhimanyu in the Mahabharata was being manned by 6 people in the current scene, and this was what was responsible for the spread of fear in the country. He said the Modi led government had trapped our youth in a Chakravyuh of unemployment and paper leak, farmers in a Chakravyuh of debt, the middle class in a Chakravyuh of tax, MSME in a Chakravyuh of tax terrorism, Jawans in a Chakravyuh of Agnipath, and SC, ST, OBC and minorities in a Chakravyuh of justice. The Congress leader's speech saw many acrimonious changes between the Treasury and opposition benches, and even with Speaker Om Birla launching a scathing attack on the Modi government. Mr. Gandhi said the sole aim of the budget seemed to be strengthen the framework of business and political monopoly and that of investigative agencies. The result of this has been the attack on small scale industries, which in turn has affected the job market for youth. Questioning the government on what has been done for the youth in the budget, as well as silence on paper leaks, he said that the education budget at 2.5% was the lowest in 20 years. Branding the internship program announced in the budget as a joke, he said this would be only 500 big companies and 99% of our youth have nothing to do. We, Congress, break Chakravyuh, independence, constitution, green revolution, MG Narega are all examples of it. He said the BJP should not mistake India's youth for Abhimanyu. They are Arjun and will break free from this Chakravyuh. Mr. Gandhi said that farmers had just sought one thing, a legal guarantee on MSP, and the government did not agree to that. He said farmers were not allowed to enter parliament when they had come to meet him, at which point Speaker Mr. Birla said, "You will not lie in the house." Mr. Gandhi clarified that he thought they were not allowed as they could only enter after he went to meet them at the gate. He said the middle class, which had possibly been supporting Mr. Modi before the budget, had been stabbed twice. However, the Congress leader said there was a hidden advantage for the India bloc, as the middle class was going to leave the BJP and come to its side. Yet, you create Chakravyuh and we break them.